We are going to review top 5 best alkaline water pitchers. Let's get started. List number 1. Lake Industries 7000 Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher. This Lake Industries alkaline water pitcher looks like a regular domestic filter but with so many features and benefits. Lake Industries water pitcher can hold 2.5 liters of alkaline water as deemed necessary. This water filter pitcher is always a better choice than plain water because it can help eliminate free radicals and removes toxins with potent antioxidants. It also improves energy levels and helps improve the immune system. It also enhances hydration because it lets the body absorb the water easier by breaking it into smaller water molecules. When comparing alkaline water filter versus Brita, you might have been thinking about their filtering process. This model follows a 7-stage filtering process that includes tourmaline. List number 2. Invigorated Water pH Vitality Alkaline Water Pitcher. Choosing a pH water filter pitcher is something that you need to take seriously because that is water that you take for your body. Invigorated Water is an established international team that works to produce accessible and clean alkaline water to everybody. If you value your health and well-being and you enjoy the good things in life, including the freedom of having filtered alkaline water ready for consumption, then the Vitality is for you. This system follows the pH on-the-go filter recipe, where everything is accomplished in the highest quality. This system helps in increasing the pH level in your water thanks to its alkaline calcium balls, and it can break it down to smaller ionized water molecules so the body can easily absorb the water and all its goodness. List number 3. Naples Naturals 108x1 Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher. The Naples Natural Pitcher Water Filter is your ultimate choice if you want alkaline water when you want it. It has a 110 cup capacity, so it will quickly quench you and your whole family's thirst instantly. It will also fit inside your refrigerator without cramping it. This pitcher gives you alkaline water in its natural form as there is no technology involved to split up the water molecules. Still, you will have a balanced combination of water with calcium, potassium, and magnesium. It also increases the pH level to up to 2 levels, making it purer and healthier for you. This pitcher makes use of the latest 6-stage ion exchange carbon filtration technology that removes the harmful elements in your tap water. List number 4. pH Replenish Glass Alkaline Water Pitcher. Say goodbye to plastic with Invigorated Water's pH Replenish Glass Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher. Thanks to its superb food-grade extra-strong borosilicate glass combined with stainless steel, you have with you a modern-looking filtration system that can also double as fruit, coffee, and tea infuser. Like the other water filter pitchers of Invigorated Water, this, too, uses the exclusive pH on-the-go filter system that is processed by the top-of-the-line materials, which help in increasing the pH level of the water being filtered. It also yields little molecular-sized ionized water, which in turn will make absorption by the body more relaxed. This high-class system also reduces the ORP or the negative potential of the water. List number 5. Lake Industries The Alkaline Water Pitcher. If you want fresh alkaline water in an instant, then it is time for you to have one of Lake Industries' alkaline water pitcher. This pitcher has a water capacity of a massive 3.5 liters and an extra free filter. It utilizes a 7-stage process that includes tourmaline, alkaline mineral balls, ion exchange resin, and activated carbon. With this, you get a fantastic result of water with less chlorine, rusty smells, and funny tastes usually found in tap water. It also removes lead, zinc, copper, and other pollutants to up to 90%. Not all have the chance to experience clean and high-tasting alkaline water. You can with this water filter pitcher. With all the impurities removed,